Hi, this is Billy with Lockhart Kicks. Take a look at this video to the end to find out more about the Nike AlphaDunk and the secret inspiration behind it. Peace. Hey, what's up? This is Billy with Lockhart Kicks. First and foremost, to protect your sneaker, double check the link below this video in order to check out the product that I recommend. It's called Rejuvenator. If you're not familiar with it, it is a groundbreaking and a life-changing product. This has helped me many of times to help keep my sneakers clean, to repel dirt and debris and anything that I threw out at. I threw ketchup, everything. Basically, this is a very cool product. And there's a cool bundle in the link below, so please check that out. Without further ado, let's jump into the sneaker. So we're looking at the Nike AlphaDunk. I'll be putting it right here somewhere. But the Nike AlphaDunk, overall, that name sounds crazy. It sounds like something that's robotic and something that's just overall just made to move. AlphaDunk. Like that sounds almost like science fiction-esque, but this is a serious sneaker, should be considered such. When looking at it overall, it definitely gives me the impression, at least, that this is a high performance sneaker. Not quite something for lounging in, but it's definitely serious. The sneaker actually originally started in 2008. This latest iteration of the sneaker, it takes cues from LeBron's latest sneakers, the last two sneakers from LeBron, as far as the, it's called Battle Knit, which is the upper that it's containing. This Battle Knit basically keeps the sneaker light and responsive, which is really big for practitioners of that art. Being able to not be encumbered and weighed down by heavy sneakers is something that's at the utmost importance. For the casual person just wearing it chilling, probably not as big of a, it is definitely something that you like, but not as big as a need or concern. But once again, like I said earlier, this is something that's a performance sneaker. So this is something that, serious means business, and cutting any shedding any weight is definitely something that's respected here. As I mentioned earlier, this Pure Magic colorway, the secret inspiration for this sneaker was Aaron Gordon's 2016 Dunk Championship win.
In that mascot.
And was forever immortalized as a guy who could jump real high. So this colorway, with it being Pure Magic, it's reflecting colors of the Orlando Magic. So it's something very cool to look at. This kind of reminds me somewhat, not so much, of the penny sneakers from back in the day. But those to me just look better. These, not so much. My unbiased review is, I've been kind of mentioning along the way here, this sneaker is for putting in work on the court. This is something that is going to help you protect your assets, your ankles. It's going to give you good cushioning for landing from after you tear the rim off. But overall, it's not quite something that I would use to style in. It's not something that I think would be too much of a cruising and relaxing shoe. With that being said, as it being a high performance instrument, this is going to be definitely something that will be able to take care of you and your investment. So at the $170 price that it's coming at, I think with that in mind, it's definitely not a bad price. For people who have little to weak to little game on the court, this is probably something that you don't want to spend the extra money on. You probably want to go with the cheaper choice, just saying that your game is garbage anyway, so you might as well not throw extra money at it. But for those who like to pose and look like you could play a good game, definitely go for this. This may get you picked. this sneaker might actually, if you're on the sidelines and they didn't see you yet, they may think, okay, this guy or girl probably maybe has a jumper or something like that. But if you don't, just save the money and go with a different shoe. So once again, that's my closing thoughts on this sneaker. Let me know in the comments if you agree with me, if you disagree with me, if you just want to go off. I'm about that smoke, so let me know. Also, take a look in the comments, or actually in the link below this video, because Lockhart Kicks, we do have some merchandise. There's new designs that are available, everything from hoodies to t-shirts to wife beaters, everything available. So definitely check that out and let me know what you think about those. So once again, this is Billy, Lockhart Kicks. Peace.